Hi boys and girls. Today we're going to review the letter H and then we're going to work on the letter L. So for our H review, let's look at our letters first. We have our uppercase H and our lowercase h. So our uppercase H, of course, when we write it, we write two lines next to each other and then a line in between. And for our lowercase h, we start at the top and we go down, then back up and make a hump down. Okay? So the letter H makes the sound. So we're going to practice blending these words, and then we're going to write them and we're going to match them to the picture, to the correct picture. So let's look at the first one. Let's say all the sounds together. Ready? Say the sounds with me. At, hat. So what word is this, boys and girls? Very good. It's the word hat. So here on the line, I'm going to copy the word hat, H-A-T, and then we're going to look for the picture of a hat. That is right here. So you're going to draw a line from there to the hat. Let's look at the next word. We're going to blend it together, and then you're going to write it and match it to the picture. So let's blend the first one together. Ready? Ah, Let's say all the sounds again together, and then we'll read the word. Am, ham. Good. So you're going to write the word ham on the line, and then find the picture that shows the ham and draw a line to it. Let's look at the last one. Let's read it together. Ready? Op. Let's say all the sounds again together. Ready? Op. Hop. Good. The word is hop. So you'll write it on the lines and then draw a picture that shows hop. Then you're going to look at page 95 in your workbook. This is where we're going to start with the letter L. 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 So we have our uppercase L and our lowercase l. Our uppercase L, we start at the top, we go down and across the bottom. And our lowercase l is really easy. It's just a line down. So L makes the L sound. So what you're going to do is we're going to go through all the pictures and we're going to circle the ones that begin with L in the first row, L, and at the bottom row we're going to circle the ones that end with L. So first let's draw a line here, so that way we know we're only going to look at the top row for the beginning sound and the bottom row for the ending sound. Okay? So the first one we have a lock. Does it begin with L? Yes, it does. So we're going to circle it. Next we have a cup. Does that begin with L? Right, it does not begin with L. Let's look at the next one. We have a leaf. Does that begin with L? Yes, it does. Leaf. So we're going to circle the leaf. Let's look at our next one. We have leg. Does leg begin with L? Right, it does. So we're going to circle that one as well. So now here we're going to look for the ending sound, the last sound. Not the first sound, but the final sound. The first one we have is bowl. Is the last sound in bowl L? Bowl. Right, it is. So we're going to circle it. Let's look at the next picture. We have a hill. Hill. Very good. It does end with L. Let's look at the next one. Kite. Kite. What's the last sound in kite? Right, it's a T, so it does not end with L. Let's look at our last one. Bell. Bell. Very good. It does end with L. Bell. So we're going to circle it. Very good. When you have finished page 94, This is the one I'll be looking for you to send me, that you read the words, wrote the words, and matched it to the picture.